Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and opening the right menu. First, make sure your iPhone or iPad is unlocked and connected to Wi-Fi or cellular. Then tap Settings and select your Apple ID at the top. Once there, choose Media and Purchases to view App Store controls. You may be prompted to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Go ahead and confirm. Once done, you'll be in the exact place to modify password requirements for purchases and downloads. Now modify the specific options that control when you must enter a password. In Media and Purchases, tap Password Settings. You'll see separate controls for free downloads and for purchases. Toggle off Require Password for free items if you want no prompt for free apps. For purchases, choose Always or after 15 minutes, or disable when the option is presented. Make sure to confirm changes, because this affects buying behavior. Double-check which account and device are active before leaving the menu. Finish by confirming and testing your new settings. Try downloading a free app to see if the password prompt appears. If you still get prompts, sign out of Media and Purchases, sign back in, or restart the device to refresh settings. Make sure family sharing or ask to buy isn't enforcing prompts. Check the organizer's settings if others are affected. If none of that works, update iOS and retry, because software versions can change available options and fix related issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.